Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want to change your phone's color theme now? Start by making sure battery and connectivity are stable, because updates sometimes apply assets. Open Settings and type Display or Theme in the search bar to jump straight there. Once done, check for a separate Wallpaper and Style or Appearance entry. Make sure to note current choices. You do this so you can revert if needed. This first step speeds you past basic setup and puts you right where the theme controls live. Now you choose and tweak the theme elements. Select light, dark, or auto mode depending on ambient lighting and battery goals, because dark can save power on OLED screens. Then adjust accent color and icon shape. These change app highlights and launcher icons, helping accessibility and aesthetics. If available, enable dynamic or material themes to derive colors from your wallpaper. Make sure to preview on both home and lock screens, and test a few apps so contrasts remain readable across the system. Finish by tapping Apply or Save. You should see the new colors immediately. If elements still show old colors, restart the launcher or reboot the phone. This forces the UI to reload theme assets. If things look wrong, restore your backup or reset to the default theme. This reverts icon packs and wallpaper-driven palettes. One key troubleshooting tip: if contrast or legibility is poor, open accessibility and adjust text size or high contrast toggles, because that often resolves readability problems without changing theme choices.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.